This summer has been something I'll never forget.
Somebody needed to pinch me because I thought it was a dream.
To say it's been a wild ride is a bit of an understatement.
Illinois wins it. They're on to Williamsport.
It took 32 years to get here.
But I don't think the kids fully grasp how rare and special this is.
When you walk to the top of the hill and see the stadium for the first time, it's kind of amazing.
The biggest lesson they learned this summer is in coming from such a small island that you can achieve really big things.
Es la recompensa de 6 años de trabajo, es la recompensa de lágrimas, de sacrificios de los papás, y esa es la mayor recompensa que hemos tenido, y estar aquí en Williamsport.
The stuff dreams are made of. You're going to Williamsport.
For me, it's going to be something I cherish for the rest of my life.
El solo hecho de estar aquí es ser campeones.
When they're my age, they're gonna look back and just be like, wow, I, did that.
Soak it all in. Remember it forever. Tell everybody that this is the greatest place in the world.